Captivating Kelp Forests. Written and narrated by Emma Rosen. Illustrated by Rhiannon Thomas. Imagine that you're floating on a current in the sea. Swaying underneath you, there's a forest of tall leaves. This underwater forest isn't ash or oak or willow. Huge seaweeds take the place of trees. They're kelp that drift and billow. On bendy stems called stipes, kelp blades ripple to and fro, and holdfasts root them firmly on the seabed where they grow. Playful seals swim through the forest catching fish for tea, and diving down they hold their breath, just like you or me. Fish of every colour glide among the swaying fronds, while sand eels dart in sheeny shoals and gurnards rest beyond. Eggs of cat sharks, rays and squid are hidden where they're laid, and tiny baby cuttlefish feed among the blades. Tangled claw-like holdfasts anchor tightly to the stones, and in their twisty fingers many creatures make their homes. Hiding in a holdfast are the smallest crabs you've seen, while snails and worms and brittle stars fill every gap between. Mats of bryozoans live on kelp's enormous blades, and clinging to the seaweed, little blue-rayed limpets graze. These forests underneath the waves protect when there's a storm, and capture greenhouse gases that would make our earth too warm. Kelp is so important, but it's also under threat from changing weather, dirty seas, and sometimes fishing nets. Scientists are working hard protecting forest sites, and by learning all about them, you can also help the fight. So, imagine that you're floating on a current in the sea. An underwater forest sways beneath you peacefully.